Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at ways to fix an app crashing or freezing on iPhone and iOS. We have plenty of different methods to try, so hopefully at least one of them will help. Let's get into them. The first method is to simply close the app and reopen it. To do this, grab the handle at the bottom of the app and drag it up slightly, hold it a second, and then let go. You can then find the app here if you have multiple open and swipe up on it to close it. Try the app again now. Next, we can check if the app has any updates in the App Store. We can manually check for updates to force any that are available. Open the App Store first, and then tap on your profile. This should be the circle icon in the top right with your Apple ID photo. If you scroll down on this page, there should be an available updates section if there are any updates, and you can tap on update next to each app in here to update them now. If you don't see this section, look in the updated recently section to see if your app is there too. If it is, tap on it and an option to update may appear here if there are even newer updates. A third method would be to search the app on the App Store and tap on it to see if an update option appears on the App Zone page. The next method is to reinstall the app. You might want to try this if there weren't any updates available for the app, however it could work even if there were updates. Remember that you may need to log into the app again once you've reinstalled it. Tap and hold on the app on the home screen, then tap on Remove App, and then Delete App. You can now install it again from the App Store to see if this worked. Next, it's worth restarting your iPhone if you haven't already. You could try this at the end of the video or do it now, but when you return, we still have a few more methods to try. You can restart your iPhone by holding the power button and the volume up button for a few seconds. Then swipe to the right where it says slide to power off, and then after a few more seconds, hold the power button again to turn on the device. After restarting, it might be worth checking for any iOS updates. To do this, open the main settings page and tap on General. Then Software Update, and then see if any updates appear here. Install any that appear if you think they might help. The next method is to think about any recent changes that you have made to your device or the app that could have caused the problem to appear. For example, you may have made some changes to your network settings. Next, search online to see if others have had the same issue. It could be a global problem with the app, or there may be a known fix, which will be specific for each app. The next method is to check your internet connection. Some apps may require a stable connection to work properly. Try using the app on both data and Wi-Fi and check that your app doesn't require Bluetooth to work properly. Next, we'll check that your app has the necessary permissions. It should have requested these permissions, and you can check that they are allowed in the settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to the bottom section where all of your apps are shown. Find the app that is not working and tap on it. On this page, check that there aren't any permissions turned off, and if there are, turn them on. This could be things like photo, camera, microphone or location access, mobile data or background app refresh. The app may need these on to work correctly, so turn them on and try opening the app fresh again. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.